Welcome back to Tiny Science Tutorials. Today, we are diving into the mind-boggling phenomenon of superconductivity. Superconductivity is a state of matter where certain materials exhibit zero electrical resistance. In other words, electric current can flow through them without any loss of energy. When cooled below a critical temperature, typically extremely low, they undergo a phase transition, transforming into a superconducting state. In this state, they expel magnetic fields, a phenomenon known as the Meissner effect. One of the most intriguing aspects of superconductivity is its ability to allow electric current to flow endlessly without dissipating any energy. This property has tremendous implications for electrical transmission and energy storage. Superconductors find applications in various fields, such as MRI machines, particle accelerators, and maglev trains. They enable faster data transmission, more efficient power generation, and even levitating trains through the use of magnetic fields. By understanding the unique behavior of superconductors, scientists continue to push the boundaries of technology and explore new possibilities in electronics and energy. Superconductivity remains a fascinating and active area of research in the field of physics. And that concludes our 1-minute journey into the captivating world of superconductivity. Stay curious and keep learning.